This 2016 Forest River Georgetown XL 369DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a cinnamon, Moonlight, Pebble, S interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab. This 2016 Forest River Georgetown XL 369DS is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.